Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use Rytr AI tool. Here you can go and type Rytr AI. This one is the official website. Rytr Generative AI. You can create AI content. And after that, now let me open this website. Here you can create a free account. Simply you can sign up with different social media platforms. You can create your account with Gmail account, Facebook and LinkedIn. Let me create it with Gmail account, this one. And then allow access. Okay, now account is created. Click on next button. Here you can select write articles and marketing content for emails, messages and replies. So I want to select this one. And then click here, continue to Rytr. Now let me click here, write. And then on the left side, here you can select different options. You can select your language. You can use the case. So I want to select this one, blog section writing. And here you can add the title and topic, whatever you want. For example, let me type here top 10 freelancing platforms, and then here you can add some keywords and click here write for me. And here you can see it is working. Okay, now we got all of the content here. Now if you want to generate more words, then you can upgrade and you can select any of your desired package from here. So these are the packages that you can use and generate unlimited content for your business.